Hello friends, welcome to my channel UI Passion. So today we will learn defer and async attribute on skip tag. As you already know, JavaScript is client-side script. So it is specified using the HTML script tag. This tag it allows you to insert a script into your HTML document. We used JavaScript for image manipulation, form validation, dynamic content. So let's have a look for HTML parsing. What is HTML parsing? So this is basically document object model, DOM. We also say it DOM. So step 1, load the HTML, and step 2, create DOM tree like this in our document, HTML document. So in root we have HTML. After this it has two branches like head and body, and also after this we have multiple branches like this. So that's why we call this DOM tree. So I have one more example for you for HTML parsing to understand better. This is HTML parsing. Begin download. After this, begin execute, and after this, HTML parsing is like this. So let's have a look some theory part for this. So as you see the image, we have three type of script. This is plain script, and plain one is called synchronous JavaScript, and we have async, defer. So we have definition for all these three. Let's have a look. But definition first, the I'll explain first. Definition is required for this. Basically, plain JavaScript case, default case, the HTML is passed until the script tag is reached. At that point, the parsing of HTML is blocked and a request is made to fetch the script file. Once the script is executed, HTML parsing resume again. This is HTML parsing, and when script fetching and execution time, HTML parsing is stopped, paused. Once execution done, it again parsing resumes again. So async attribute, the async attribute download the script during the parsing the document, but will pause the HTML parsing and execute the script before it has fully finished parsing. Async script will not necessarily execute in order, hence there is more possibility for runtime error if file not downloaded in order. This is our async part, and this is our parsing. HTML parsing and fetching is going parallelly, and time of execution HTML parsing is paused. After execution of script, it resumes HTML parsing. Now we have defer attribute. The defer attribute download the script while the HTML document is still parsing, but waits until the document has finished parsing before executing it. Defer script will execute in order. It's more usable as there is no chance for runtime error, as you see in the picture. So script execution will be at the last after fully complete HTML parsing and script downloading. So script downloading uh, is the same for async and defer, but execution different for both. It execute script after fetching and complete HTML parsing in defer case, but it posts the HTML parsing while executing in async case. So take care this. Uh, so let's have a look main difference for this. So this is async, when loaded execute immediately. Defer, execute immediately after loading. Async, execute randomly. Defer, execute in particular manner. Async, doesn't execute in sequence, execute in sequence. Defer, Defer to async to execute, you can interrupt the first ending. Defer to execute, you can't interrupt the first ending. Async, this method doesn't need to be called just before the DOM content load event. Defer, this method is called after initial rendering, just before the DOM content load event. Async, there is possibility for runtime error. Defer, no chance of runtime error as it executes in order. Please note, the async and defer attributes are ignored for scripts that have no src attributes. The async and defer attributes are useful to make your website load faster. So let's have look. Let's do some practical for this to understand a better way. So let's start. Starting with some mm, HTML part. So taking display flex div. After we have s3 text. No, what's the issue in this? Okay, now taking s3. Welcome to UI fashion. Please like and subscribe so that I can upload more videos. Giving ID text. So some basic style needed for this. Report height. Color below. Font size 3 pixel. Border. Taking style dashed and style to padding. Our HTML part is done. Okay, what's the issue? Should be in center. So the flags here. Using display flags and margin auto and height, it is horizontally or vertically center. So we have three script file. This is default script, script 1, script 2. This is script 1, I'm script 1, script 2, and this is our this part, s3 part. First child node value is welcome to UI person. So I'm doing calling the script with synchronize normal with default script src. Now this text should come in console. So I'm checking it. There is a type error. Document.get element by id is null. Why? So there is reason behind this. So as I already mentioned, for default case we are not using any attribute here. So if I check this, this is our case as per current scenario. So if you see, HTML parsing stopped here. HTML parsing stop at skip tag. So here it stop. After stopping HTML parsing, fetching and execution will work. So while fetching, will fetch, download this, and while execution time, it this S3 element with ID text will not be available in DOM because it stopped here. So that's why we are getting error here. As you can see, we are getting error here. Now if I'll pass defer, then we will check again. I'm saving it. Now I'm refreshing it. Now it's working. Now this file is working fine. UI passion. Welcome to UI passion. Now check. Working. If I remove defer, now it will work or not? Please tell. Comment. It will not work. Not working because this reason is this, as I already mentioned. So in defer case, why it is working? So I'm telling you, in defer case it's working fine. Now I'm reverting it this, and I'm again refreshing this. Now we don't need alert. We have already this in console. Here we have console. So reason, what is the reason for working this now? So reason you can see in the picture. So HTML parsing and script downloading is working parallelly. So while on the script execution time, it will get the S3 element and there is no error. It will work properly. Now we have two more scenario. Like if I pass skip tag here, two skip tag. So we have skipped one. So just we have I'm skipped one and I'm skipped two. So skipped one and skip two, or this is synchronous type. I'm checking it in console. No required alert. So skipped one, skip two. Welcome to UI fashion. So HTML parsing, while HTML parsing, it will get the skip one first, then skip two at second place. Once the HTML parsing is completely done, then it will execute this. So this is coming in third place due to this concept. I think you understand the concept via the picture and giving some example. So let's see the sequence again. Skipped one, HTML parsing, like this, reached here and display skipped one. After this reached here, displaying skip two. After this all parsing done, reached here. That's why it's at the third place. Welcome to UI passion. Node value is this text. So we have one more thing in this. If we pass defer, then what will happen? So we'll check, the order will change. Now refreshing, now skip to skip to this at the first place, and welcome to a UI passion this at the second place, and this one is the third place. Sequence is changed now. I hope you understand this. After lots of effort I make this kind of video. Dear friends, please like, and you, if you have any query, comment. So conclusion, the current trend is put escape in head tags and use the async or defer attribute, as this allow your script to be downloaded as soon as possible without blocking your browser. If you prefer to go with plain script tag only, make sure put it at the bottom before closing body tag, as this ensure the HTML parser is not blocked until the very end. So if you are not using defer or async, so this is the very good practice to put your or all script in the body and in sequence using here defer. Now when I use async here, so what will happen? Think, will order change or not? So I am refreshing it. Now order is changed. Reason is why order is changed now? When I using defer, welcome to a patient is at the last third place, and when I use async, it is at the first place. Reason you can find in this picture. So execution will be last, but async case just after the script download via async. So after downloading, it is not waiting for HTML parsing, it is just executing it. Then it is executing, so we have welcome to a patient at first place. Just after fetching, we have execution, so we have now your patient first place, then script 1 and script 2 at the second and third place. Okay guys, thank you.